B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Let's paint.
Red color.
A,
Green color.
B,
Sea green color.
C,
Yellow color.
D,
Sky blue color.
E,
Pink color.
F,
Orange color.
G,
Blue color.
H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. Let's paint.
Blue color.
I,
Red color.
J,
Green color.
K,
Sky blue color.
L,
Pink color.
M,
Orange color.
N,
Sea green color.
O,
Yellow color.
P. Q, R, S,
Hickory dickory dock, the mouse ran up the clock. The clock struck one, the mouse ran
U.
down. Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock.
V,
Hickory dickory dock,
W,
the bird looked at the clock. The clock struck two, away
X,
she flew. Hickory dickory dock, tick
Y,
tock, tick tock.
Z. Let's paint.
Hickory dickory
Red
dock,
color.
the dog barked at the clock. The clock struck three.
Q,
Sky blue color.
Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick
R,
tock.
Green color.
S,
Hickory
Brown
dickory
color.
dock, the bear sat by the
T,
clock.
Blue color.
Four.
Dark green color.
V.
Orange color.
W.
C. Green color.
Hickory dickory dock, the bee buzzed round the
X.
clock.
Pink color.
She went
Y.
Yellow color.
hickory